Paano kung hindi ka pala stuck, kundi hinahanda ka lang ni Lord? Hi, ako nga pala si May. Dati akong pediatric oncology and ICU nurse for 16 years. And ngayon, ginagawa ko na yung business na wellness and health full time. Pero alam mo, this journey, it was never a straight line. And ang dami kong, Lord, bakit wala pang nangyayari moment? Pero recently, na-realize ko na hindi pala ako stuck. God is preparing me, training me, and pruning me. There were seasons na I feel super quiet. Parang walang progress. Pero ang totoo, God was dealing with me privately so I could rise publicly. Maybe ikaw din, kailangan mo munang i-address yung mga excuses mo. Example, wala akong time or hindi ako marunong. Sumusunod kahit maliliit lang muna. Hindi kailangan perfect ha. Matuto ka magpatawad kahit sobrang sakit. Kailangan mo munang tanggapin na kailangan may lessons muna bago ka i-assign to lead others. Sakit minsan, no? Pero healing starts when we allow God to minister to our broken places. Hindi sayang yung tahimik na season where God shapes you. Hindi mo kailangan makita lahat ng hakbang. You just have to move in faith. So kung feeling mo stuck ka ngayon, maybe you're not. Maybe you're right where you need to be. Kasi malapit ka na sa next breakthrough mo. If this spoke to you, don't scroll away. Tag someone who needs to hear this. Baka sila rin, feeling nila stuck sila pero tinuturuan lang pala sila ni Lord.